master. Keep going up the ladder. That mad make them matter. Told my son when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Pointers on me hitting.
300SDOSS, back to another video. So today we got some fun stuff going on. We're gonna be installing some tire stickers. We're gonna be installing some tire stickers, and we got this meet coming up tonight, you know. Hopefully we get some dope footage. I'm not swinging my car, I'm racing it, that's it. I bought this car and I'm building this car to make it a race car. Nothing like that, you know. But the sponsor, I'll show you the sponsor, what they sent me. Yeah, the sponsor, they just sent me some tire sticker, decal stickers. The 345 Hemi for, you know, I just got new tires, so I had to get new tire stickers. So I ordered all this, and all they did was they gave me 30% off, and they gave me tire stickers, or tire sticker decals, and then I got this big bottle of spray to clean it, so it'll focus in. But yeah, definitely recommend getting some tire stickers. It definitely helps the car. So I'll show y'all the end product when I'm done. I already have a video on this of installing tire stickers, so go check that out. That's all my tires that I've been going through. I'm gonna try to get this whole garage filled up with tires, you know. But so I ran into an issue, and this has been a reoccurring issue for a minute. My right passenger front brake and brake pad, it's scratching and screeching when I brake at high points. One of my friends said it's just one of the things that keep the brake pads in place. Is just bent down, and I think I found it, but I'm not too sure. Let me see if I can get y'all up in there real quick to show y'all. Like, I want to say it's over here. Well, you can see. Probably can't see, but fuck. Yeah, I can't get y'all in there. But it's just a bent pad. Literally just a bent pad, you know, nothing. Or just like a bent, like the little things that hold the brake pads in place. It's just like that. So it's just scratching on my rotor. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, and then I'm gonna get on the tire stickers. I'm back to you, so I'm done. How bad do you want it? So I'm about to show y'all what I got done. So I fixed my brake issue. I fixed it, yeah. It was like a little pin rubbing on the rotor, so that's done. And I got you, let me see. So my tire stickers are done. Brand new. Shout out Tire Stickers for the sponsor. I'll throw them on there. So yeah, those bitches clean. These ones, I just cleaned them up a little bit. You know, clean them up. I'm gonna wash it. So I'm gonna wash it here soon, hit a meet up, and hopefully I get some good footage tonight, so stay tuned.
Well, yeah.
You got to your GC?
I do. I'm gonna go that way.